Hello class 9 student. Today I am going to discuss in this video about the results of the rebellion. In the last video we ended with the fourth phase of the rebellion, Mahamari rebellion, and after creation of the Matak Rajya and given to Sarvananda Singha by Purnana Buragohain, the Mahamari rebellion was completely suppressed by Purnana Buragohain by making an agreement with Sarvananda Singha and giving him a small kingdom to rule over it and making him as Borsanapati, a tributary king of the Ahom monarchy, and thereby after that he became loyal to the Ahom monarchy. So till this fourth phase the Ahom kingdom was completely shattered, and in the form of the results of the rebellion there were hardly any activities of the Mauryaas. So among this result, one of the result was a political result. So the political results of this rebellion was can be seen clearly that at the end of this war, actually this war is regarded as a civil war, that is the war between the people and the government, that lasted for 3 long decades, that is about more than 30 years. Both the Ahom monarchy, that is the Ahom kingdom, and the Ahom monarchy and the kingdom, whatever it is, were destroyed completely, and they were counting their days. So again they put the method of destruction with their own hand by inviting the British to the Ahom, and the British also extended a helping hand to the Ahom administrative mechanism that had failed to deal with the rebellion, and the English had initiated the process of securing a foothold in Assam, and English was also wanted to take Assam's administration to rule over Assam. So taking advantage of this opportunity, Captain Wells, in the third phase that you can remember, was sent through his military expedition. He not only installed Ahom king into the throne and also suppressed the Maurya rebellion, that is the third phase of the rebellion, but also he wrote he collected detailed information about Assam. So based on these reports by Captain Wells, the further invasion of English started, and this report that is on this information, and it was sent to the company government. So it was basis on this report that I have already discussed in a couple of sentences earlier. The government later on took all their policy decision with regard to Assam. So in this, as a result, was very terrible of this that we understood in the next chapter that we will discuss. Whenever we are studying chapter 3, we need to say about chapter 4. What remain, it is chapter 4. Another result of the Maurya, that is a political result rebellion, was the decline of the Ahom administrative mechanism completely. There was hardly any administrative activities in Ahom kingdom. The Ahom rule was a medieval feudal mechanism, very old type of mechanism. Ruling over the administration was there. The king was the head of the administration, and all the ministers of the king like Buragohai, Borgohai, Borpatra Gohai, Borboruas, Borfukan, along with the Fukans, Saikias, Boruas, etc. were the abiding officials of the king. So they used to abide by the king's decision. And it is always a part of the history that taking advantage of the king's weakness, later on, that I have already discussed in the previous videos, that the king started to become weaker. That is, the minor kings were installed by the Purnana Buragohai, and in this way, when the king became weaker and weaker, before then that, just right after Gorinath Singha, these officials, administrative officials, took the advantages of this king's weaknesses, and they became to declare themselves as powerful, and they were also becoming powerful. Purnana Buragohai was an example. Assam was no different from the time of Swargadhur Shiva Singha. The official began to exploit the weaknesses of the king and became powerful. Most of them could not deliver their duties properly because of their selfishness, and this resulted in discontentment among the subjects. Discontentment among the subjects, but discontentment among the people of Assam. The officials were unable to deliver their proper administration, proper work activities. Most of them could. So, in this way, most of them were not able to deliver because of their selfishness, their selfish deeds. Okay, selfish deeds. So, in the time of the Lakshminath Singha and his successor, that is after Lakshminath, whoever came, the king, the activities of a group of selfish officers made the lives of the common people unstable, because these officers were selfish, and it is because of their selfish deeds the people of Assam were struggling. And finally, as a result, they revolted against the Ahom monarchy. When the king himself was a fugitive, fugitive means some, like Gaurinath Singha, they had to run when the Maumariya rebellion broke out and they attacked the capital. The king himself was running away from the capital. He ran to Jorhat and then to Guwahati, and then he was going downstream through the Brahmaputra river, and there he met Captain Wells. So this fugitiveness. So in this way, the king himself, the higher authority himself, was running away from the authorities, from his own authorities, from his own power, for saving himself from the clutches of the rebellion, Maumariya rebellion. So why should the Assamese common people believe in them, have faith in them? Okay, many people joined the rebel to save their own lives and property, as Maumariya were struggling and the Maumariya were forcing the common people to join them. So they, in lieu of saving their lives and property, they joined the Maumariyas. But whatever it is, the Maumariya, after gaining the administrative power of the Ahom, that is for the first time, and also in the third time also, the first time it is mentioning that within 5 months they were struggling for power again with each other, against each other. So once they grabbed administrative power, they began to fight within themselves for power and position. As a result, several independent rulers emerged at the same time, like the fight between Haradatta and Biradatta Chaudhary, the Dihing Raja. In this way, the independent ruler came out. Sarvananda Singha has also came out. Moreover, the Maumariyas did not try to implement a new administrative mechanism. As the earlier administrative system still continued, the common people did not feel any changes. Same thing, it was also a great mistake, big mistake by the Maumariya. You can remember that the Mahanta had advised the Maumariyas that not to change the administrative system, just to dethrone the Ahom monarchy, and not to change the administrative mechanism will be go on similarly, no change in system. So it is because of this no change in system, the people of Assam have lost faith that whenever the government changes, no administrative changes have come out. Okay. So as the earlier administrative system still continues, the common people did not feel any change. As they did not, their faith in monarchy was depleting with each other, each day. This lack of confidence of the common people of both the Ahom and Maumariya administration was pushing the state towards a third alternative. Again, I will mention about the third alternative. What was? Go to chapter 4. In the next consecutive videos, I will mention about these things. I will come back again to chapter 3 and again define a chapter 4. Okay. So this was one of the political cause of the rebellion. Then again, another was that a socio-economic result. It is short. In short, I will discuss it is. It is not so much hard. It is. So the Maumariyas and the Ahom monarchy were fighting with each other. As they were fighting with each other, destruction were there, struggling were there between the people, and because of the burning of fire from the two sides, Paris fire two sides, no matter the tortures were done inhumanly to the innocent people also, and where the Paris fields were being destroyed, famines occurred. Even the soldiers of the Purnanab Borogai were struggling against were struggling for feeding their stomach, as they were hungry enough, and to feed themselves they ate the flesh of those animals which they were using for warfare, like the flesh of elephant, flesh of horses. So in this way, the struggling was there. In regards to socio-economic result, the Maumariya disciples who were expert artisans they were unable and they were running away. Many body were mutilated, cut down, their hands, ears were cut down, they were not unable to do their work. Many became crippled, handicapped, many of them were ran away. So in this way the economical structure of the country got deteriorated, and due to lack of arms and ammunition of the Ahom administrative mechanism, they were unable to fight. So in this way again another warfare was there between the Brahmin people and the Sudra people, the Brahmin Satras and the Sudra people. So in this way between these two classes the Mauryaas start winning up, and the Brahmins class of Satras were declining and declining. And it can be said that in this present day there the Satras remain as intact in the same type of class, and there were hardly any activities in regards to class distinction in Assam. It is good like this, there is no class distinction in the religious purview of the Satras. But later here says in this way the socio-economic result, economic causes and socio-economic results which was destroyed by the Maurya rebellion can be seen through this chapter. So in the next chapter we will discuss of the Captain Wells account, that what in his account what was the what did he wrote in his account. So I would like to say that do share this video and also do watch these videos. It is very difficult to make such certain videos in front of the camera of the mobile phone and uploading these videos into the YouTube or whatever it is, or providing you. Why it is? Because it is very difficult in this lockdown period. We are in despair, in very hardship financially, and it is very difficult borrowing the data from some other person and giving these videos to others, because we are very hardship and we are unable to buy the data, buy the package for recharging the mobile data. So I hope so you will understand the gravity of the situation of all the teachers, and please do watch the video and cooperate with it. In flexibility, I say that if you have any queries, whenever I am available with the online data by borrowing from some other person, then I will be trying to reply your questions whenever you ask the question. Though it is necessary to maintain the routine according to time, but still if you have, just throw the questions into my WhatsApp group, it will be better. And whenever I am able with the data or online, when I became online, I will get the questions, I will immediately return back you the replies. So thank you. I hope so you will cooperate with me and all the teachers. Thank you.